a lot of deliveries to unbox today. Unboxing time. I got this one from TikTok shop. I just hope this baby bag will work it, because anything that unfolds, fold and unfold, they give me anxiety. Technology. Okay. Shut up. No, it's not for you. It's for baby. No! Okay. And this one is no. Well, see? Yeah. So we'll pack it. We're waiting for the baby to arrive. I just assemble it to be sure it's what I needed. Come! Put them also. To be sure it's functioning properly. So if there's need to return it, I'll return it on time. But if I don't open it now, it might be late by the time the baby should come. So come out from there. You are not a baby. You are not a baby now. You are a big baby. Come out. Come out. Oh yeah, come on. It's for your siblings. Come, it's for your siblings, yeah?